Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're going to be moving over to, I guess you could say, the outdoors equipment side of things. So as you can see right now we have got a Leatherman Surge right here. So if I just move this out of the way, I'm using this kind of white notebook just to kind of make things a little bit more clearer. If you take a look at this Leatherman, you can kind of see there's bits of rust kind of in different parts. So we're just basically going to be talking about how you'll want to clear this up without causing any scratches on the metalwork. So what you're going to need is you're going to need some really fine wire brush, and that's really about it. It's only gentle rust, so we're not going to be hounding on it with the wire brush. We're just going to kind of gently polish the different components. So as you can see, this one's quite in depth of rust on it, so if we just lock it in place, you just take your wire brush and we're just going to gently polish it up. So now, as you can see, we have removed the rust, or the majority of it, and you'll see there is no scratches or any damage to the metal, so it's nice and gentle. It's a really fine wire brush this. I'll have to put a link in the description to one I've used, but it's just as simple as just gently going over everything, and this will nicely take out some of the rust. You can also use oil with this if you want, but with me, I'm quite fussy. I kind of put oil on this anyway, so I don't really feel like I need to. But yeah, we're basically just going to be going around the whole thing. So let's cut to a quick fast video montage. So as you can see, we're just kind of going through this gently. We don't need to be too kind of rough on it. Even on these nice polished parts as well, sometimes you do get a bit of rust. Some people, they like to soak their kind of pouch in oil. Me personally, I don't like to, but this is definitely just cleaning this whole thing up, to be fair. Especially on this polished side, and if you look carefully, it's not done any damage. I try to kind of move in the same direction as the grooves are, as it's like a brushed metal. But yeah, this is basically working fantastic. So it's not too hard, it's not too difficult. It does take a bit of time, but you know, if you've got a little bit of time on your hands, you want to kind of go around the whole thing, you can do. It's also good, if I can get on the ceramic, you can see there's a bit of when I've last used the blade. It's also good at taking that off too. So as you can see, I'm just gently going in the same direction that the grooves are on the blade. You know, we can do a little back and forth as well, but it nicely clears all the dirt off the blade as well at the same time as cleaning any rust. As you can see at the back, there's quite a bit here, so we're just going to go onto it like so. And as you can see, it's cleared up nicely. So yeah, all you need is some really fine wire brush, and this will polish up your Leatherman beautifully. So I hope this tip has been helpful. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all on the next video.